Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Spotify isn't actively syncing. Pause playback and close the app. Once done, identify your device because Android and Windows let you clear cache differently than iOS or Mac. Make sure you've backed up any offline playlists or note which downloads to refetch later. Now open the Spotify app, navigate straight to Settings, and get ready to locate storage or cache controls. This first step prevents accidental data loss and speeds the process. Now you'll find and remove the cache itself. On Android, go to Settings, then Storage or Use Files to delete the Spotify cache folder. This removes temp audio but keeps your account. On Windows, close Spotify and delete the cache folder under %appdata%bec/Spotify, or use the app storage option to clear cache. For iOS or Mac, Apple restricts direct cache clearing, so offload or uninstall Spotify and reinstall. That cleans cache tracks, while you'll re-download favorites later. Finish by restarting your device and launching Spotify to let it rebuild essential temporary files. Make sure to re-download offline playlists you need and confirm streaming quality and download settings so you don't waste bandwidth. If playback problems or missing tracks persist, log out of Spotify, clear the app's data entirely, and then sign back in. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall as a last resort. One troubleshooting tip: check storage permissions and free up at least a few hundred megabytes before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.